Binance halts operations in Canada due to new regulations. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, has recently announced that it will cease its operations in Canada due to the challenging regulatory environment in the country. In a tweet posted on Friday, May 12, the company expressed its disappointment and stated that new guidelines related to stablecoins and investment limits provided to cryptocurrency exchanges make the Canadian market no longer viable for Binance at this time. In February, the Canadian Securities Administrators, CSA, published new guidelines that prohibited cryptocurrency exchange platforms from allowing customers to purchase or deposit stablecoins without prior approval from the CSA. Obtaining approval would require the exchange to undergo various due diligence checks by the CSA, a process that Binance disagreed with. Despite its disagreements with the new regulations, Binance still hopes to work with Canadian regulators to develop a regulatory framework around cryptocurrencies. The company has come under increased scrutiny from North American regulators over the past year and appears to be scaling back its operations in the region, as reflected in the situation with its U.S. subsidiary. Binance problems in North America. Earlier this year, Binance announced that it was considering severing ties with its business partners in the United States. Its co-founder and CEO, Changpeng Zhao, is a Canadian citizen, and the company described its exit from the country as a matter of sentimental value. Binance's decision to exit Canada could have a significant impact on the country's cryptocurrency market, as it is one of the largest exchanges operating in the region. The DRC-20 tokens in Dogecoin are generating significant activity on the network. This new token standard, similar to BRC-20, allowed Dogecoin to surpass Bitcoin in daily transactions on May 13. Issuing tokens under the ERC-20 standard on Ethereum has been common for years. In the case of Bitcoin, BRC-20 tokens have recently become popular but have also caused network congestion. Now, Dogecoin has its own mechanism for token issuance, the DRC-20 standard. Data shows that Dogecoin hit a historical high of daily transactions on May 13, reaching 628,209, while Bitcoin had a lower number of transactions with a total of 575,495 on the same day. This increase in activity is due to the interest in creating DRC-20 tokens, a new form of digital asset on the Dogecoin network. Many Dogecoin users and enthusiasts have become interested in exploring and creating these new tokens, possibly with the intention of taking advantage of the opportunity to make money that they missed with memecoins on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The issuance of DRC-20 tokens is based on the Ordinals protocol, which also allowed the creation of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and BRC-20 tokens on Bitcoin. The necessary registrations to issue popular tokens like Musk, Pepe, and Doge, among others, are being shared on Twitter. It's important to note that although many may be interested in these tokens with the intention of making money by trading them, investing in them can be a highly risky activity, and not all tokens will be successful in the market. During 2023, the volatility of Bitcoin's price has experienced a significant increase, remaining high throughout the year. Currently, this cryptocurrency is experiencing strong price fluctuations in short periods of time, which represents a change in its behavior. Every 10 minutes, the price of Bitcoin can increase or decrease around $250, something that had not been seen at the end of the previous year. In addition, on multiple occasions throughout this year, Bitcoin's intraday volatility has been even higher, reaching up or down more than $500 in a single day. This entire panorama has positive and negative consequences for investors. On the one hand, It represents more opportunities to obtain large profits, whether betting on an increase or decrease. However, on the other hand, high volatility also reflects a greater risk of losing money. This increase in volatility has a particularly significant impact on Bitcoin futures investments, where higher volatility tends to generate more liquidations. However, it also represents the possibility of obtaining large profits.